Okay, another project video. This one is going to be pretty fun. So I'm in dire need of a tool cart or a tool cabinet for my mill. And so this is what I've got so far. I've got 12 stations right here on this metal stand. But I wanted something with more storage. So I was at the flea market yesterday and I found this. Yeah, it's a filing cabinet. It's a rusty filing cabinet and they wanted $8 for it. So here's the plan. I'm going to put sort of a butcher block top on the filing cabinet. I had some leftover dimensional lumber, oak, that I ripped down, cross-cut, and jointed and planed yesterday. So that's ready to glue up today. So that's going to go on top. I'm going to put it on lockable rolling casters that you see here. This is probably the most expensive part of the build. This was about, what, $60. $8 here is that's $68. And then in here, we're going to use this Shapeoko, our little CNC router, and we're going to mill out some, it's actually stair tread. I was trying to find the cheapest lumber to make this out of. I looked at plywood. They wanted, like, for a quarter piece, they wanted like $35, $40. It's ridiculous. Then I found some stair tread that's approximately 12 inches wide, which is what this is, 1 inch thick, and that was, I think, $14. So yeah, we're going to on this top drawer, we're going to mill out 1.25 inch holes in an array. Total of 24 holes here for the tools to fit in vertically, and then the bottom, we'll do half that for BT30 tools in the back, and in the front we're going to do a little pocket, approximately 10 by 10. We're going to recess that in about 1/2 inch. I'll throw some drawer liner on there, and that'll be a nice little pocket that I can set my spanner wrenches in. So let's get to it. Okay, project's done. I did all that for about 80 bucks. I got the most expensive thing were those casters, like 15 bucks a piece. Those were expensive, but everything else was on the cheap. Really enjoy this. Really enjoy this build. Cheapest way that I could come up with, and have fun in the meantime to make some storage for my BT30 tooling. I've got a lot of room to grow, so spot a place for my wrenches and for backup collets. That's almost full. Definitely want to have some weight down there so that this thing doesn't topple over if I pull it out too far. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the build. Catch you on the next one. Bye.